Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to come to you. And on a beautiful day like this, I just want you to sit back, relax, and let's get ready for what we have today. Let me welcome every one of you to this program, and especially those who are here for the first time. We are happy you have joined. Before we get into the matter of the day, I would encourage you to call a friend so that they can watch together with you, and later you can have meaningful discussions about what you heard. It is very important for us to understand that today's family is here to help you negotiate and also navigate through life's basic issues and the things that most of the times we may overlook. And then because of that, people will not achieve their aim. I believe in life, men and women, every human has a destiny, and your destiny is not by the chances that happens in your life, but it is by the choices that you make. So today I would like to talk about, actually the topic is a question, like who are you? Who are you? Um, when we look at life, you would see that there is something like a script that maybe people would have to follow, because bringing during our upbringing, early days in school, we are told like the necessities of ethics and different things. So we are more or less programmed to begin to think in certain ways, to see that we can do things only if we follow this or that direction. But every human is unique, and every human has a path that he has to. So you are almost like your own script. You are the script writer of your life, and your life is like a play which is never finished. So no matter what your age is, your position where you are, you can still jump on and be the actor. And I'm using the word actor because you are the person who is going to live out the life that you have. Nobody will live your life out for you. You will live your own life out by yourself. And it is very important because we have instincts within us. We have qualities and potentials that we came with. And because of that, it can guide and direct as to where we can be useful and we can be productive. It's not everybody who can be an orator. It's not everybody who can be a writer. It's not everybody who can, do everything. So sometimes you will find out that by nature, you are somebody who is communicative and you can actually express yourself. So these are areas of your strength. So your script that you are writing should always involve that ability that you are endowed with naturally. Many people leave their natural potentials and try to copy the potentials of other people, because during education, during upbringing, they were told if you do A, B, and C, then you will be that. It is all true, but they are all supposed to be guidelines. One of the things that I'm happy with that in life, choices are made by us, and nobody would force you to make a choice. So you have the power to decide who you become and what you become. Yes, as much as you can decide, decide based on your strengths, decide based on the qualities that you have, decide based on the competencies. Why? Because if you decide to be an astronaut and you are not good in physics, you are not good in some of the basic sciences that is required to get that done, then you are going to struggle. You may get there one day, but very tired, and you never enjoy the ride. You see, when you enjoy what you do it efficiently, and you do it relaxed, and you do it without stress and without sweat. This is how life is supposed to be. So your life is like a play that is not finished, and you are the actor. At any given time, you can write a new chapter, but then every chapter should complement the book, that when the reader reads, it makes sense. This is why sometimes in life we may miss the mark, we may miss the road, we will do things that we never thought of, and we come back to correct them by redoing it and doing it better than we had ever done before. The most important thing that you have to possess in your life, if you will make a difference for yourself, is to be positive minded, to say, yes, you can. You see, life brings you challenges, and because of the qualities that you came to this earth with, you may always be, geared or attracted to the things that you can solve. The problems that you have the ability to solve is what you will be attracted to. But when you see them in the first instance, it looks like, it's a new thing. So you have to now call on the faculties and the creativity and the abilities that are within you in order to solve these, questions. So it looks like something that is very big, but make sure you have that positive attitude, positive approach, which means if the problem has come to mind, then the solution is somewhere. You can make it. And as a matter of fact, you have made it. It is now just time for you to act and to bring that thing which is already sorted into fruition. I'm Dr. Abed Kitcher, and this is today's family program. We are here to help you navigate through life and make decisions that will help you, live life without stress and without sweat, because many people are struggling. I know doctors who would have been better engineers. I know historians who would have been better geologists, and so on and so forth. And some of them, at a very later age, they switch and go to where their passion and their giftings are, and they become even more successful. Can you imagine a man who spent about 25 years seeking the wrong things? Yes, he was successful in that, but no joy, no happiness, because that was not his natural area. And after 26 years, he delves into where his strength and his, happiness is. And in 5, 6 years, he could have achieved more than, the 26 years put together. So it's always good to find what you have as your strength and develop in that area and work without stress and work without threat. This is Dr. Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and we'll come to you exactly in a week from today on this same channel at this same time. I wish you and your family very well. And remember, life is like a play, and you are the script writer, and you can make your story beautiful. Your power of choice is what will make the difference. Take care and see you next week. Bye bye.